Good morning, guys. This is Matthew Salter with Clearwater Realty. We are here to show you another amazing property. This one is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom at Coakley Bay. Coakley Bay has some amazing amenities. Let's go have a look. Guys, so this unit has historically functioned as a vacation rental. 𝐒𝐄𝐋𝐋 got its own brands, and the owners come down here and stay when they want to. So you could rent it as a vacation rental, or you could live here, make it your island home. Let's talk about some of the features here. We've got a kitchen, beautifully done, got granite counters, all your regular appliances, including a dishwasher, stove, refrigerator. One nice thing about this is it's got a lot of storage. Kitchen, everybody needs storage, so that's really nice. After you finish up in the kitchen, you can go ahead and have your meals here at this table for 6. You know, we've got little owner's credenza over here. Moving on into here, we got a little more storage in here. You know, keep things for guests in here. Everything's labeled. This is the living room, nice open concept. The kitchen to the living room. Got a little bookshelf type of thing over here, and you know, going ahead and show you guys some more things over here. Each room actually has split units, so it does have AC for when you don't get the amazing breezes that do come through here. Let's go this way. I'm going to show you guys some of the bedrooms. One thing to show you as well before, we have this nice little closet here. In here we have a water filter and a instant water heater so that your bill will stay a little lower. Start with bedroom. Bedroom number 1, this is the guest bedroom technically. Spacious, you know, you can do whatever you want with it. We've got 2 beds in here right now. Split AC, obviously. Everything in here is on remote, so you can control them. Let me show you this little feature. More storage, but also you have a laundry unit in here. You have a washer and dryer, which is nice. The complex does have a washer and dryer facility in each of the buildings around here, but it's really nice to not have to lug your stuff down there. So close this back up. Take you to the next room. So in here we have the guest bathroom to match that. You know, your guest area plus the room here. We can go on ahead and use that. Going into here, this is the master. The master has its own ensuite and also opens onto this balcony here. Little veranda. Out here, we have an amazing feature. Not only is this a walk-in level condo, there's no stairs in this whole unit. A lot of the units here are bi-level, so there's very few that are walk-in level and have no stairs. This is just one open layout. So the nice thing about it is, instead of 2 split balconies, one above the other in a bi-level condo that you find here, you have one long veranda here. So it's very rare, and it's actually a lot nicer, right? You can come out here, you can have a day bed over here, you can kind of lounge around in, enjoy the breeze. You can come here, you can sit here and have your coffee, you can have your coffee or, you know, a cocktail at the end of the night, read a book, whatever may work. We've got these amazing Buck Island views, all the blues of the Caribbean you can see from right here. And you can also, you could add another table here if you wanted to, but you can also see right behind us is the pool. And speaking of that, we're gonna walk down there and have a look at that. So one of the things that I did want to touch base on is one of the key features that's very rare in here is that this unit is a walk-in level. And you can literally park right here, walk in with your groceries, not have to carry anything. It's very accessible. That's a very rare feature here. Didn't want to make you aware. Let's continue the pool now. Alright guys, so on the end of this video, a little outro here, we just wanted to showcase one last feature of this property, one of the many amenities we have. Well, there's 2 actually. So we got the office, which has our mailboxes and everything. So most postal systems on island use PO boxes. You can get your stuff right here in the condo. And lastly, we've got the Elle salon and boutique right here. You get get your hair done, you get your, get all primped and proper for whatever you want to do. That's kind of the last thing. I'll go over a few of the amenities real quick here one more time. We have an automatic generator that kicks in seamlessly within about 5 seconds. If you lose power, that's a huge amenity across the island to have. We've got the saltwater pool with heaters, so it keeps the temperature nice. We've got a wastewater treatment plant here, so we treat all our waste in-house, and then also we have our own water production system. I believe it's an RO system, so we have cisterns and produce our own water. So as you can see, this is a very sustainable community. Everything's on site to be self-sufficient. So you can walk across the street to get to the beach, or you can kind of go a little bit further here, not even 2 minutes away. There's a very nice beach you can go to. Those are some of the amenities for Coakley Bay. If you're interested in this unit, you can check our stuff in the link below. Also, be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. Other than that, it's Matthew Salter with Clearwater Realty, and you have a great day.